Okay, today I got some doves, some beautiful doves, and I just got the box opened up because I have no clue how to open up the proper way. And oh my god, there's so much. Let's take a peek. Now back to the video. Yeah, I opened the box and the spotted dove flew out of the shipping box, so I had to go and fetch it. But they're beautiful. Found this breeder out of state. He was able to sell me a pair. Bought them like $200 per bird, so $400 plus shipping. But anyways, here it is. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is a male, I believe. Very, very beautiful. I was told this is a Chinese spotted dove. Knowing that there is also the Thai diamond dove. So yeah, I'm gonna try to tame this one. Tame it, and so that it's not so wild. Right now they're pretty wild, so yeah. Yeah, so hope y'all enjoy, and I'll get back to you guys sometime soon.